Busio bunenchereye mo yo gukinia ebirengo byobochanu imeye county ya Kiambu. Serikali ya county yo nigo yabekire emerobelyo oboikiranu ase okoyene kibna nkomenta bire ebitanda korwa eliweyemo ne chimi sanonemo oika chiribu sato ne chimi ibere. Okwana mugavana we county yukimani Wamatangi nigo ayenekirere no mugavana omutanga nibo koyene kyanga obere komenta ebirogo abanyagitari ilinda kwa nekebuna ngoro bale obokoreri obya gochya ase abananchi nonya nabo niga nekebuna ogoichurerana kwa baroire ase chinyagitari nako kwagerire aimukire getambukero gyo komenta ebitande byo.
Saying is what now I'm doing. See the way I've gripped it, eh? You can see what we are having now to address is the human resource question, because that's also a major issue within the hospitals. We have done our best on the question of human resource. Currently, we are employing doctors. Last year, I was the first governor to promote doctors.
This will greatly ease the congestion that we have been witnessing in our level 4 and level 5s, because we have improved the peripheral hospitals, the level 2 and the level 3.